Okay guys, welcome up for another installment of our Endless Legend playthrough. So far, just basically playing through the tutorial to figure out how everything works. It's sort of easy and complicated at the same time as I'm slowly figuring out. There's a lot of elements, but once you sort of know what you're doing, it's not too complicated, which is good. So in our last one we just finished a battle, now it's time to click on our city. So, hang on a minute, what's happened here? Now you can see the effects of pacification. 3 village workers have joined your city from the 3 pacified villages in your region. Cool! Pacification is also possible village by village if you attack each of them. However, in that case you would need to rebuild each village to obtain these additional workers. Yeah, I think that was easier than attacking the village. The Empire screen is a global dashboard that lets you review your Empire status and take critical Empire-wide decisions. Right, somehow I think this is getting a bit more complicated now. But I have noticed I have a lot more workers, and I have up here Sisters of Mercy, which has given me... This village has been pacified and the odd one population to the city. In the minor factions, this village is assimilated by your empire. Each pacified village offers an incremental bonus. Cool. So basically I have been given more workers. I haven't got any trade routes. Don't suppose I need that right now. I have 21. I have 10 titanium, which hopefully I can use that to build my weapons. Okie dokie. In the main banner, select the Empire screen button. That one there. You receive some luxury resources as quest reward. There are 15 different kinds of luxury resources to discover, each of them granting specific bonuses to your empire. Complicated. Once used, luxury resources stay active for the number of turns indicated in their tooltip. Right. The more regions you have, the more expensive luxury boosters will be. Right. So each major faction has its own affinity and traits with powers and bonuses specific to them. Right? Fair dues. Here you will find all empire bonuses currently applied to your empire. You also get extra dust and science. Every 20 turns, all empires can set at the same time an empire plan by spending influence. Right, so that's where my influence comes in. So if you've got more influence, I can use to spend in here. You can unlock various powerful bonuses that will affect your empire until the next plan. So basically I've got 20 turns of whatever I put in here. By opening the status screen, you will be able to review your progress and that of other empires. The screen also gives more info about different kinds of victories you can achieve if you mouse over... Okie dokie. So there's nothing there. You can also decide to spend influence to assimilate minor factions. Assimilation will give you useful new bonuses and unit designed for the main minor factions, as long as the minor faction stays assimilated. Right? To assimilate a minor faction, at least one of their villages must be pacified within your empire, which they are. Remember, you recently pacified villages. So click on the assimilation slot in the empire screen, and then on assimilate once you have selected the Sisters of Mercy. So cool, so I can assimilate them, getting most assimilation effects. Plus 5 health regeneration per pacified sister village empire, which I've got, what, 3? So that's handy. Let's assimilate them. Well done, the Sisters of Mercy minor faction now gives you 15% health regeneration in your regions, and the unit design is now available to be built in your cities. Ah, cool, so it gives me extra things to build, extra units, which is handy. For now, you don't have enough dye or luxury resources to activate its effects by clicking on its booster. Right? don't quite get that. For now you don't have enough dye, right? I need obviously dye to be able to do something. No, cancel. So what do I need dye for? Go back to your city and find out more about luxury extractors. Right. Okay, I obviously need dye for something, but I don't know what. Yeah, don't quite get that one. Luxury resources. That must be dye, is it? Dye, yeah. Right, I can't activate whatever that is because I don't have dye. I have titanium. I have nothing in the stockpile. Right, so, okay, let's go and find out about extractors. A dye deposit was discovered in your region, making dye luxury extractor available in the list of possible constructions. Right. Extractors allow you to collect luxury resources from your region every turn. The expansion type constructions are built directly on the adventure map. Right, so left click on the dye extractor construction to queue it. Then click on its deposit tile to place it directly onto your map. Right, well, okay. Then click on its deposit tile. Right, so, which is up there. Right, well done. Note that strategic resources can also be collected by building extractors if your region contains the corresponding deposits. Right, so now that I'm going to be building, I can't get to it down there, I can collect dye. Okay, fine. Remember that like most constructions, extractors normally require specific technologies that need to be researched in different eras. They are then available for construction in your regions. Right, so sometimes I have to unlock things before I can build it, which probably I have to research it in there. You can improve your units by creating a new unit design using strategic resources you have collected. You currently have a small amount of titanium. From the main banner, open the military section to learn how to create new unit designs. Okay. The military screen lists all your armies, their individual units and costs in upkeep. Note that you'll be able to double click on an army to locate it on the map. Right, I must have been given another army as well. In addition, the military screen is also where you edit existing unit designs and create new ones. Right, okay. Click on the new and then select one of your units to enter the unit design. Right, let's go to my marine and select. Here you can edit unit designs that will become available in the list of possible constructions in your cities. Right. Depending on the unit, you can add different weapons and pieces of armor and accessories to your design that will improve your unit's attributes or even give them new. Right, so I can give them new abilities. As you can see with the tier 1 titanium items, it's the tier 1 titanium items of the army. Some items also require resources to be spent when your unit's constructed. Items made of strategic resources as well as advanced weapons and armor tiers will unlock as you advance through technology eras. Okay, once you're happy with your design, enter a name and click validate. You can end your turn when you're ready. So let's give this unit a name. Let's call them the Ass Kickers. So let's get. You're always in the way, right? Let's put you there. So we can add things. So we've got a ranged unit, tier 1. That's what we've already got. We haven't got any armor or anything on here. So let's give him some leg armor of gold quality, forged from iron. Okay, what doesn't sort of give me a cost? Oh yeah, there, cost 6. What is that, per turn or just to add it? Right, so we've added it. It doesn't tell me where. Ah, there, production cost. Ah, so that means when I build this army, it's going to cost me that much to build it because of. Ah, right, I get you. So I need to build up plenty of. It's not science, is it? It's. Can't think what to call it now. No, I'm gonna. It's a two-handed bow I could give them instead of a shield. Make them stronger, but no, I think I'll keep the shield for now. Tier 1 necklace. Improved movement. Good quality foot. I don't know how a necklace can give you better movement, but anyhow. Glory or death. Torso armor. 12 health and 6 defense. Let's give you that, because it doesn't add that much of a cost really. How about head armor? Gives you 6 health. Yeah, why not? Does that cost titanium as well? What does the ring do? Improved damage. Ring of good quality crafted from titanium. Gives extra damage. It's going to cost a bit to build, but it does give me a better soldier. Right. Okie dokie, let's do that. Ass kicke. Ass kicke. Sounds a bit French. As you can see with the tier 1 titanium items for the armory, some items also require strategic resources to be spent when the unit is constructed. Items made of strategic resources as well as advanced weapons and armor tiers will unlock as you advance through the technology. Yeah, so basically as I progress through it I can build bigger and better armies, but it will cost me more to build it, which is understandable. Okay, I have upkeep, 2 from unit, 2 from slot, so it cost me 4 first armies. Ah, so that's that one. So that gives me my armies. So obviously the more armies, the more resource costs. Right, ready to assimilate. Okay. Well, I've already done that, haven't I? Right, how do I... Armies ready to assimilate. Click to show hide details of the gate. No, I want them. Yeah, but I think I need to die to do it, didn't I? I need to have 5 die, so I can't do that yet. Because I need to build that. But what if I buy that die extractor? 137 dust. I have 1000. Yeah, let's just buy that so we can do that quickly. So that should be ready on our next turn. And because we've got all that in science, I wonder if it takes industry. Yes, so I can't. Yeah, industry. Yeah, that builds that, doesn't it? So industry builds that, so I can produce them faster. That takes 4. Yeah, well, I've done my fighting phase now. If I put 3, I mean, how's my food doing? I mean, how much? Oh yeah, that produces in 2 turns. Happiness, science. I don't know. Science built up. I can't. Influence. I can't remember what influence does. Let's do that. Let's end our turn. Right, so we now have a dye extractor. A new Empire plan will be unlocked in 6 turns. Save some influence points if you intend to implement critical policies. Right, so that's where influence comes in. Right, okay. So I need influence for that. Now it's time to learn more about heroes, very special and powerful units. Right, so first of all, what happens if I put them in there? That goes on to the next turn, and then I'll put them on there, so we need more influence. Because I can store that by the look of it, which is handy. No, get that next. Advanced alloys has gone down up to 5 turns. Right, that's fine. Now it's time to learn about heroes. Okie dokie. In the main banner, open the Academy screen. This just gets complicated. You can see me not doing very well in this game. This is the Academy screen where all the heroes of your Empire will be listed. Unlike standard units, heroes can get injured but cannot be killed on the battleground. That's handy. To use a hero, it has to be assigned to an army as a general or to a city as a governor. Depending on their profile and their hero skills, they will give different bonuses to an army or city. Right, that's handy to know. Click on the inspect or double click on your hero on the Academy screen. Unlike standard units, heroes can instantly equip new items as long as they are in the Academy or located within your territory. You can immediately spend the resources required to change their equipment. Right, that's handy. Click on the skill tree to learn more about hero XP and skill points. At each level, your hero will earn 1 additional skill point to spend on their skills. Hero XP can be earned through battles, like any unit, but also through construction as a governor, through the use of some army actions as an army general. Okay, in normal games, more advanced features will be revealed throughout unlocking new technologies or dealing with other empires. The marketplace is one of these. It gives you, among other things, the possibility to recruit new heroes for your empire. You can now assign your first hero to an army or your city. Once assigned, a defined number of turns must pass before the hero can be reassigned. Note that the hero assignment can be performed directly from your city or an army. Right. Okay, this covers the basics you need to know to play Endless Legend. End your turn, you are ready to finish the tutorial. Okay. Nearly done the tutorial, which is handy. End your turn when you are ready. So, we can't do... Oh, hang on. Yeah, you go away. So how do I assign to an army? Assign to a city. Click on select. So what happens if I assign it to a city? What do I get? What bonuses do I get for that? Let's assign him to the city for now. So I don't need to give him weapons and armor, I don't think, if he's assigned to a city. Unless it gives bonuses to the city, of course. Block. Let's see. Improved movement. Glory of Death. Sharp sense, improved vision. Improved damage. A tome of good quality bound with titanium. +1 science per person on city. Right, well that will come in handy. But that does cost 6. Do I really need it? Right, apply. Bugger. Right. So, you hide out of the way there. Circle select structure. Right, so we've got a new extractor. Chemical preparation using huge machines. Molten glass steel is forced into stand ready for industrial use. And the titanium extractor, right, I could do with that. I take it that's what it is. Big. Right, let's add that. Is that titanium? Nope. Corresponds with some titanium. Is that it there? Okay, maybe I haven't got any titanium. That would be handy to have, seeing as I need to use that. Oh, what's there? It's always in the way. Moss pearls. That one we... grasslands. Titanium, there we go, we do have titanium. Right. So, titanium. Is that titanium? Seems a bit glowing. There we go. And since we've got money to burn in the tutorial, let's have the titanium extractor built so we can start getting some titanium as well. Okie dokie, we have a titanium extractor. Plus 1 titanium. Okie dokie. At a cost of 60. Right, okie dokie. Congratulations, you have now learned the basics and are ready to start exploring Endless Legend. Okie dokie, so basically that's the tutorial done. Right, now we have a better idea of what's going on and we can start a main game. So thanks for watching, and next time we will set up a new game and let's see how we get on without instructions. Let's catch you again.